What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to n8n. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the n8n's website and then log in with your n8n account. And after that, you need to create a new workflow. And after creating a new workflow, you just need to click on this add first step and then you need to search for Calendly. And after searching for Calendly, you need to select a trigger. After selecting the trigger here, you will see the select credential. Click on this and click on create new credential. And after that, you have two options to connect to Calendly. First is via OAuth 2, and the second one is you by using API key or personal access token. So I'll tell you further in this video which one we are going to use. But first, in the new tab, we need to open Calendly and then log in with our Calendly account. After that, on the left side, you can see the integrations and apps. Click on this. And after clicking on integrations and app, you just need to search for API in the search bar. And then here you will see the API and webhooks option. Click on this. And after that, you need to click on get a token now if you want to connect through API key. But if you want to connect through OAuth 2, you need to click on get started here and then build your own custom OAuth and then enter all the details here like the client ID and client secret. So basically here in the OAuth section, you will get your custom client ID and client secret. So you can just simply copy it from here and then paste it here. And in the personal access token, you will just simply get the API key here from here, and then you just need to copy and paste it here in this bar. I'll continue with personal access tokens. I'll click on get a token now and then click on continue. After that, I need to give it a name. After giving a name, I'll click on create token, and then this will send me a verification code to my email. Just simply need to write the email verification code, and after writing the verification code, when you hit enter in the pop-up, you will directly see the token. Make sure that you copy it because it won't appear again. Yes guys, it won't appear again. So make sure that you copy this token and paste it somewhere if you will be using it again and again. So just paste it somewhere like in the sticky notes or in the normal notes. And after that, when you are done and you have copied the token, click on close. After that, come back to n8n and click on this bar and then just paste it. After pasting, click on save. And after that, as you can see, the credential has been successfully created and the connection tested is successful, and our connection to Calendly with n8n is built. So this is how you can connect Calendly to n8n. It was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.